In number 5, it says, Jillian is making a paper flower for an art project. The flower she is making has 4 petals. Each petal is formed by 3 semicircles as shown below. What is the area of the paper flower? Provide your answer in terms of pi. So that part where it says provide your answer in terms of pi means we aren't going to multiply by 3.14 or use our pi button. We are just going to leave the pi symbol in our answer. So we have a big semicircle here, a medium semicircle here, and a small one here. So I am going to label those. We've got big, medium, and small. To find the radius of the big one, the distance across the whole thing is 12 plus 6. So its diameter is 18, but the radius is only halfway across, and half of 18 is 9. And it's a semicircle, so we want half of a circle. The radius was 9. For the medium one, the diameter was 12. So its radius is going to be halfway across, and half of 12 is 6. It's also a semicircle, so we need half of a circle, and this one has a radius of 6. The small semicircle has a diameter of 6, which means its radius has to be half of 6, or in this case, 3. Oops, not 1/3, 1/2, because it's a semicircle. It's half of a circle. And the radius is 3. All right, remember, squared. It doesn't mean multiply by 2. Squared means multiply it by itself. 9 times 9 is 81. So I need half times pi times 81. In this one, 6 times 6 is 36. So I have half times pi times 36. And over here we have half times pi times 9. 3 times 3 is 9. I'm running out of room, so I'm just going to go below because I can't make it smaller. Half of 81 is 40 and a half. I'm going to use the decimal version of half. Half of 36 is 18. So we have 18 pi for the medium one. And half of 9 is 4.5, again using that decimal version. So the big one and the medium one are shaded in. So we're going to add those. But the small one is not shaded in, so we are going to remove it. 40.5 plus 18 makes 58.5 pi, and we need to remove 4.5 pi. Remember, those pi's just go along until the end. They just stick with it. 58.5 minus 4.5. The halves are going to add to 0, and then the 8 minus 4 gives us a 4. So we should say 54 pi. But remember, way back at the beginning, it said that her flower has 4 petals. This is only 1 petal. So we are going to have to multiply that petal by 4, which is 216 with the pi symbol. It's measured in centimeters, and it's an area, so centimeters squared.